In this video, I will tell you in detail about the different Forex trading hours and how to choose the best session for your strategy. Hey, my name is Mary and I'm a trader, and I think I'm the best. I created this YouTube channel to visually demonstrate my expertise to you, so subscribe to my channel and be a part of my community. Forex, also FX, is an abbreviation for foreign exchange. Foreign exchange takes place when one country's currency is exchanged for another country's currency. Forex is the largest financial market in the world, trading some $5 trillion daily. Most trading is done in the spot cash market, conducted primarily by banks. Major banks around the world constantly exchange currencies for their customers for tourism, trade, and for their own accounts to speculate on the daily change in values of the currencies. The exchange rate is the price paid for one currency in exchange for another. It is this exchange that drives the Forex market. The rates quoted for each currency float up and down depending on supply and demand, as well as other economic and geopolitical events, thus providing the opportunity to speculate on the movement of one currency against the other. What are Forex trading hours or sessions? The international currency market is a representative system of banks, large-scale companies, investment management agencies, hedge fund organizations, retail Forex brokers, and market investors. All of these systems work together to keep the market breathing in multiple time zones. The global market is just as it sounds, global, not controlled or dominated by a single player. These markets operate within a fixed number of hours based on the time zones. At present, there are 4 trading sessions covering the globe: New York from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. EST, Tokyo from 7 p.m. to 4 a.m. EST, Sydney from 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. EST, and London from 3 a.m. to 12 noon EST. Forex trading hours start on Sunday evening EST, Asian session, and end on Friday night EST, New York session. This gives traders roughly 5 days of trading. However, there are only a few hours or days when the market has solid movement. Understanding the trading hours and which sessions you should opt for is Trading 101. So let's learn about the sessions in detail. Time is the essence of the trading market. During the weekdays, the market is open for 24 hours, but that doesn't mean it is operable simultaneously. There are 3 major trading sessions across the globe with slight overlaps in time. Moreover, each market is different not only in terms of time, but also in terms of its volatility, volume, and liquidity. Trading in a market when it is active is the most optimal way to move forward. Understanding these trading hours will help you build the perfect trading strategy. Asian session, Tokyo and Sydney. The Asian session has 2 Forex markets, Tokyo and Sydney. Collectively, these 2 markets bring around 20% of the Forex trading volume. Tokyo, at the start of every week, when the liquidity from the global Forex market is restored, the Asian markets see the first action. While there are 3 main centers in this market, these are Tokyo, Hong Kong, and Singapore, the major activity comes from Tokyo. According to the Eastern Standard Time, this market opens at 7 p.m. The Tokyo market may not be as liquid as its counterparts, but it's worth noting that also means it's not as volatile. During this session, most pairs tend to remain within a range, so this session is the best suited for scalpers and short-term traders. You may also find opportunities for breakout trades later in the day. A pro tip for the Tokyo session: never open a position when the candlestick breaks the first time. Rather, wait for the second time to get a confirmation break and then open the position at the opening price. As this market mainly represents the Japanese yen, making a trading pair where the Japanese yen is present is better. Sydney. Sydney is the smallest of all the trading markets, but that doesn't mean it is without risk. In this session, the traders are busiest between 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. Naturally, as this market is majorly concentrated in Australia and New Zealand, the traded pairs include Australian and New Zealand dollars. Remember that in the Asian session, the Sydney market opens first. This market's trading volume, volatility, and liquidity can depend on Australia and New Zealand's dealing with China and other export-intensive countries. The European session, also called the London session, is poised at the center of trading. It comes to life an hour before the closing of the Asian session, and its afternoon overlaps with the New York session. This makes it one of the biggest sessions with one of the highest liquidities and volume. London accounts for up to 34% of the daily Forex volume. In the London session, other major European markets also partake in the trading action. The market trading hours also expand due to the presence of Germany and France's capital markets. Due to the high trading volume and high-value transactions, the London session is among the most important markets in the world. You can trade yen crosses at this time. Great British Pound with Japanese yen and Euro with Japanese yen are the most volatile during this session. The North American or New York session is the most popular market. Since the New York session's working hours overlap with the London session, it also sees a lot of volatility. However, the liquidity tends to die down in the afternoon after the European session ends. Also, this is the last market to close on Friday evenings for the weekend. Friday afternoon trading sees a high chance of reversal as traders often close their positions before the weekend. Unsurprisingly, the USD is the most traded currency in the New York session. Some of the major currency pairs in this market are Euro USD, Great British Pound USD, and USD with Japanese yen. Ultimately, the trading session you choose to operate in would depend on your currency pairs as well as your trading style. Remember that high volatility also means high risk, so keep your risk tolerance in front of mind when choosing where and when to roll the dice. Whichever market you choose to trade in, I recommend aiming to do so in the middle of the week from Tuesday to Friday. This is when most traders are active and liquidities are highest. I have extensive experience in this field, trust me, that's why I created this YouTube channel, to visually demonstrate my expertise to you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, join my Telegram, become part of my community. My name is Mary and I'm the best trader.